A former Democratic Alliance Member of Parliament, Ronaldo Hose, has publicly apologized for racially offensive remarks made in a resurfaced 2010 video, prompting the South African Human Rights Commission to withdraw a hate speech complaint lodged against him in the Equality Court. In a statement issued as part of a mediated settlement, Hose acknowledged the harm caused by his words and expressed remorse for their impact on Black South Africans and the broader global community, and said to all South Africans, especially Black South Africans and Black people globally, I'm sorry for the pain, anger and trauma my words have caused. It was unacceptable for me to have used violent language to make my point. I know that this apology does not erase what I said or did, but it is a step I must take to acknowledge the effect of my actions and begin to account for them. The SAHRC launched proceedings after the racially charged video resurfaced in 2023, sparking public outrage and calls for accountability. Rose approached the Commission in March this year requesting mediation. The matter has since been resolved through the Commission's Alternative Dispute Resolution (ADR) process, a mechanism that seeks to promote accountability, reconciliation and social cohesion over punitive measures. The SAHRC spokesperson Wisane Baloyi said, "We welcome Mr. Khose's acknowledgement of impact of his past conduct. The right to freedom of expression must be exercised in a manner that respects the dignity and equality of all people." As part of the settlement agreement, Khose will participate in 2 sessions facilitated by a commission, which may include workshops, public education or awareness-raising activities. He will also attend a diversity sensation session aimed at fostering deeper understanding of South Africa's racial dynamics and the importance of inclusive discourse. The South African Human Rights Commission reaffirmed its commitment to use alternative dispute mechanisms in appropriate cases, particularly those involving racial harm in the public domain. Khose's case joins a growing list of incidents where the Commission has sought resolution through education and dialogue, reflecting a broader shift toward restorative justice in matters of racial tension. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.